Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. So this is the January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see your reading and what are the messages for you. Virgo, it's sign. What are the messages for Virgo? The Tower, Five of Pentacles and Empress. Seven of Wands, Nine of Swords and Ace of Cups. Under the deck, King of Swords, here Queen of Swords. I think you both could be very straightforward couple. Maybe you are very straightforward and very honest in this connection. You are always there for your person, Virgo, no matter what. And you are very straightforward. I think some communication, some clarity is coming in your way. Maybe one person cut the other person off. There is separation going between you and your person right now for some no contact. For some, if you are already in contact, but it is not a continuation communication, it is on and off communication, what I'm getting here. So let's see your reading. In recent past, the Tower, Five of Pentacles and the Empress. Definitely some separation, some cold shouldering between you and your person. The Tower with the Five of Pentacles. But yeah, you went through some Tower moment in recent past, but you overcome that and you stand by your power. The Empress is here. Yeah, there is some cold shouldering and separation. Maybe your person is very selfish. Maybe they are in and out of your life. Maybe you are the very giving person, what I'm getting here in this connection especially. So let's see what's going on right now. Seven of Wands, Nine of Swords and Ace of Cups. Yeah, I think you are very defensive right now. But what I'm getting here for some, yeah, you are thinking about them a lot. Nine of Swords energy right now, you are thinking about them a lot. Maybe especially when you are at night times, you are thinking about them a lot. Nine of Swords energy and Ace of Cups. Yeah, maybe you are doing self-love for some a new love is coming in your way. But what I'm getting here, the Empress with Ace of Cups, definitely you are doing self-love and you are investing your energy on yourself. And some transformation is also going through Scorpio. Maybe for some, the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also. Yeah, there is financial stability is coming in your way. In near future, you will get financial stability. And maybe, I think in relationship wise, some communication is going to be happen because King of Swords and Queen of Swords is here. Definitely some communication, some message, some clarity is coming. But some new love is coming in your way for some. For some, you are investing your energy on yourself because Ace of Cups. And Seven of Wands energy, yeah, you stand by your power. Now you are very defensive. You are defending yourself from all emotions. Yeah, you overcome this trauma, you overcome this Tower moment and you stand by your power. You are very grounded, Virgo. But when you are thinking about your person, you're feeling, you are getting more thoughts about your person, and that time especially you are undergoing some anxiety and depression type of energy, Nine of Swords. But don't worry, some new love is coming in your way and financial stability. I think that person, the new person, will offer stability to this connection. And yeah, some communication. Maybe you are undergoing some transformation. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. And under the deck, Three of Wands, waiting game. Yeah, both are in separation. Let's see your person current feelings. See, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to offer stability. Yeah. The person involved in this connection could be Leo, and under the deck 10 of cups and 4 of pentacles. Yeah, they're ready. I think your person in past having a hard time to express their feelings, but now they're ready to express their feelings because Four of Pentacles in straight. Definitely they want to express their feelings. Yeah, that's why they're getting all their power back to come towards you. Yeah, and they really want to offer stability to this connection. Yeah, communication, expressing feelings, and under the deck 10 of cups, they really want to offer this 10 of cups happiness with you. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Virgo. Yeah, right now your person is not talking to you, and High Priestess under the deck, maybe they listening to their higher self, they're listening to their inner voice. Yeah, Page of Pentacles, communication, definitely they will send some message, apology to you. And Four of Cups, they're really sad for the missed opportunity with you. Right now your person undergoing some healing process. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're ready, they're waiting for the right time to come towards you, and they want to test the waters before coming towards you, what I'm getting here. Yeah, they're sad, they're really feeling sad for the missed opportunity, and some communication is coming in your way. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Leo especially. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. I think communication and clarity is coming, what I'm getting here. Yeah, I already told you they're waiting for the right time. They're ready to share their love with you. And under the deck, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're coming back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. And this offer is very stable, Knight of Pentacles energy, but it is very slow moving. And the Queen of Pentacles with Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, they're ready to share their life with you, but waiting for the right time to come towards you. Virgo. Now they're realizing your worth after the missed opportunity with you. Yeah, it's your card. It's your reading. Yeah. Maybe you're right now undergoing some, because the death card already here. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career. You are investing energy on yourself. Yeah, you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You are very attractive and you are very grounded, Virgo. It's very good energy. Yeah, you are isolated from all. Definitely there is no contact situation here, and definitely you're thinking about your person a lot. Hangman, some spiritual awakening. Yeah, they are ready to come back, but very slow moving energy. They are waiting for the right time. Some communication coming. So let's see your overall energy, Virgo. Two of Pentacles, maybe you're juggling. Yeah, you walked away because there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person is selfish. They may be in and out of your life, but they're coming back. They want to work on this relationship, and yeah, they're thinking. I think you also thinking about them. I think you both are thinking about each other. Yeah. Two of Wands, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. So let's see your person overall energy, Virgo. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, and they're feeling strong soulmate connection with you. Tower, your person also literally undergoing some tower moment. Maybe you both are on the same page. Temperance, yeah, they're waiting for the right time. The person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, the Lovers. Yeah, there is love. Definitely your person loves you. Maybe they did something wrong to you. Some message is also coming in your way. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Yeah, right time, divine timing. Definitely they really want reconciliation with you. If very few those who are not in separation, yeah, your person want to take this relationship to next level, but I think there is separation. Most of you are in Virgo. So yeah, they're coming back, but in divine timing, they are waiting for the right time. because you person also undergoing some transformation. You both are on the same page. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. A new romantic cycle begins. Yes, I think there will be reconciliation for you. And yeah, some cycles are going to be end. A new romantic cycle is begin. It is a message from universe. Some cycles are going to be begin between you and your person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.